I bet you didn't know your car could smell brand new again with ozone treatment. Here's how. First things first, give your car a basic clean. Vacuum the interior, remove the rubber mats, and empty the ashtray. Make sure the car is dry. Moisture can block ozone from doing its magic. Next, place the ozone generator at a high point inside the car. A board on the seatbacks works perfectly. Close all doors and windows and let the ozone do its work. If it's a humid day, hold off on the treatment. Too much moisture can cause unwanted smells. For best results, measure the humidity and ensure it's below 50%. For heavily contaminated cars, use the interval method. Treat the car for 1-2 hours, then ventilate briefly. Repeat as needed. After treatment, tap the cushions and backrest to release any ozone residues. If you have compressed air, use it to blow out the interior for the best results. Lastly, keep your ozone generator clean and maintained for optimal performance. And there you have it, fresh, clean car interiors with ozone treatment.